As you go through the process of working with a borrower with this type of product, the home equity conversion mortgage, what documentation do they need to provide to you?
It's about the same as on a forward mortgage, but with just a little bit different twist on it, if you will. If you're still working, W-2s, paycheck stubs are required. If you're in
Okay.
retirement, Social Security, they call it a 1099. It just shows how much the Social Security was given,
Hmm.
you received during the year. Basic bank statements, identification. We pull a credit report and we go over those things. If there are any questions on the credit, we make a comment on those, and so that's basically it. The next big step after that, let's talk about the appraisal. And
Oh
so
yeah.
some of my bars are quite concerned about the appraisal because their house is a little bit older. But as long as there's no safety issues on the home, which mean cracked concrete over an inch,
Right.
broken windows,
Peeling paint.
peeling paint on the outside, exposed wires,
Yeah.
those things require to be fixed,
Okay.
before we can, or during or after the appraisal if the appraiser points it out.
Yeah.
So minor repairs sometimes, but most of the time these houses, even a little older homes, are in pretty good shape, and we get a good appraisal right now because house values are
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, they've been up quite a bit, and that's the kind of spot where I can step in and help with your client and do.
Absolutely.
If they're considering it, we can do what's called a comparative market analysis or a quick look at the market value of the home. An appraisal is going to be a little more in depth,
Hmm.
but I've worked with a lot of buyers with FHA products, and this is an FHA product and can help point out anything that might come along that, from my experience, that an appraiser may point out. But then we get all that done
Hmm.
and make sure that they're really well positioned for what they're looking for.
Exactly. And if you have concerns in your home where there might be some repairs that are needed, Darren and I have been in the business a long time. We know handyman
Yep.
contractors and things of that nature that we can refer to. You can choose your own, obviously, to help
Hmm.
you get the work done and proceed with the loan.
We know people.
We know people.